Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Gran Baristo Avanti espresso machine. Now for this machine we gave it a tune-up, and that means we descale this machine, clean the spouts, clean the group head, and just give it service overall. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test out this machine. Then we're gonna be using the well, we're not going to be able to use the hot water or any of the coupling carafes, as we do not have the carafe itself or the adapter to use hot water. Machine is going to do pre-infusion. He's doing his first shot of espresso, after that cleaning. And as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of that beautiful spouts, gentle stream, excellent crema as well. You can see that on the top of the espresso shot. Nice espresso shot for this machine. Looking great. Great crema. The body working the way it's supposed to. Now we're going to be trying to test the hot water. Like I said, we do not have the little adapter that goes in there. So we're going to try to just use it and some water. Okay, now the thermoblock is up to temperature. We can see the stream coming out through the hose. Like I said, we don't have the adapter or anything, so you will not be able to test the latte or frothing functions of the machine. But as you can see, there's a nice steady stream coming out of the hose. Excellent temperature, good flow. And now let's redo that shot of espresso as I spill the other one. Again, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent color as well. Great crema, great shot of espresso, working fine. So there you have it. Saeco Gran Baristo Avanti working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.